Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
So the first outfit that I have here. Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am continuing my Style Essentials series with 5 pieces of denim that every woman needs in their closet. So today I'm actually partnering up with my friends at Topshop to bring you guys this video. Topshop has so many amazing styles of denim. Honestly, when I went in there, I didn't even realize how many types of jeans they have. So thank you so much Topshop for sponsoring this video. You can find Topshop exclusively at Hudson's Bay here in Canada, and as always, all my styles will be linked in the description box below. So one thing that I didn't know until Dylan and I were on the search for a suit for a summer wedding, we headed into Topman, and actually one of the personal shoppers there approached us and she said we can go in and have a total personal styling appointment for free. And we were kind of like, wait, is this even real? At that time, she took us into the room, pulled a bunch of options, told us what she thought worked and what didn't, and honestly, it was a really, really helpful experience.
Hey guys, so usually it takes me only 10 minutes to get to Yorkdale. Today, it took 1 hour. Today, I'm going to explain a little bit more once I get there, but I have my personal shopping appointment with Alana. I'm actually going in for their denim. I love Topshop denim, and I honestly have a hard time expanding beyond the Topshop Jamie jeans, so it's going to be interesting seeing what Alana picks out for me and all that fun stuff. Let's do a 4 just to see.
Because they are pretty big.
Oh, they're big?
That's why I'm thinking. But maybe you want that oversized look?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, we'll just do that.
Yeah?
See.
Okay.
Yeah. I love that.
The straights are these ones here.
Personal shopping appointments are completely free at Topshop at Hudson's Bay. And I actually scheduled one for this appointment myself. Alana and I pulled a bunch of different looks. She kind of knew the vibe I was already going for.
That looks so good. This looks very monotone.
So she helped kind of expand my options, and I think I found some really unique pieces of denim that would work in every woman's wardrobe while still being basic and classic and timeless enough to carry you on throughout the entire year. So once I got back from Topshop, I was so happy with everything that I got. I'm gonna show you guys the 5 key pieces from Topshop, as well as show you guys how I would style them in a few different ways. So the first absolute staple that I think every gal should have in their closet when it comes to jeans is the pair I'm wearing right now. It's just a pair of just high-waisted blue denim. You absolutely cannot go wrong. The pair that I decided to pick today are called the Editors. I saw this on my friend Kayla White and they looked just so bomb on her. I definitely knew I had to try a pair. And I decided with this light wash, and they are a little bit cropped, and I actually like that because I'm a little bit on the shorter side. I'm about 5'4.5", 5'5", depending on who you ask. And I think that these will go with a number of different things in your closet. You can definitely dress them up, dress them down. You guys know I'm a big fan of jeans with no holes in them, especially for the office and stuff like that. So the way I wore them today was just a super casual look, wore them with sneakers, put on a little spring cardigan on top, as well as finished it off with a hat. Honestly guys, I'm trying to incorporate more hats into my outfits. I think they just bring your outfit up to the next level. Also, so you guys know, I got everything in a size 26 or a US 4, and everything fits perfect. So the second way you can style your kind of light wash denim or your blue denim is by throwing on a heel. I love just throwing on a heel and just a simple tee. I think it's such a nice look for going out to dinner, for just kind of a girl's night out, anything that's a little bit casual, but you still want to take your style up a level. And the Editors just worked really perfect for this. I love the way these fit. They are just under $100 Canadian, so again, super, super affordable, and they are gonna last you a really long time. Stay with me here because I know this may not be everybody's cup of tea, but I do believe that a denim skirt is another essential denim piece to have in your wardrobe, and the one that I picked up was a midi skirt. When Alana showed this to me, I was like, I need to try that on. It is just a white with a more contrasting stitch on it, and I really love the way that this looks on. I got this again in a US 4, and it has the slits on the side, so that definitely adds a lot of length, and this can definitely be worn in fall as well as spring. You could throw on a gigantic turtleneck with it and it would still look great, or you could put on a little tank top like I have here. Here I'm just wearing a little tank, you know, my sneakers, as well as a bucket hat. I was really trying to incorporate a lot of trends in this just to show you guys the versatility of every single look. I also thought it'd be really good with a heel just to kind of add a little bit of height. I also matched it up with a little purse. Such a cute little outfit. Really, really like this one. Again, guys, don't be afraid to try different lengths of denim. You will be happily surprised with what you can find. You guys know my love of white denim as well. I do not think that white denim is specifically just for summer. I really do think it can be worn all year round. If you guys want to head over to my Instagram to see how I style white denim all year round, it's always on there. It always makes an appearance at least once a month. Since I am Canadian born and obviously I guess Canadian, I thought that it would be important to show you guys my version of the Canadian tuxedo, as well as show you guys how you could wear your dark denim. I always try to include an all black everything look to all of my style videos, and this is definitely the one. The pair of jeans I decided to go with was the mom jean from Topshop. I have never tried these on, but I've heard nothing but good things about them, and this pair honestly is so good. I have not found a pair of like dark wash denim like this that really has worked for me, and this is amazing. I just have it here with a simple tee and a pair of my Doc Martens. You guys know it's my go-to look, and I wore it with this denim jacket. So Topshop has so many denim jackets right now. You guys saw in the little vlog that I just showed, and the one I decided to go with has a raw hem and is a little bit more on the crop side. Definitely try to play with proportions when finding your denim. One way to make this look a lot more flattering to my body type is that I tied my t-shirt to match the same hem as the crop jacket. I find that when the crop all kind of meets at the top, it ends up being a lot more flattering. I also want to show you guys how I wore the mom jean dressy. So even though I have the one with the Doc Martens and all that, throw on a pair of heels and a cute top, you're so good to go. I love the way the leopard and like the brown accessories really accents the denim. Again, it's just one of those pieces that you can take from day to night. Super versatile no matter what kind of occasion. And I love cuffing them just a little bit when I'm wearing heels, just so that your shoes really stand out. It gives a really good lengthening effect, and I just overall really like the way this looks. And then the last piece I want to show you guys that I feel like is a denim essential in a way is the wild card piece. And I feel like denim should not just be stuck to the pair of jeans or the denim jacket and the typical ways people wear denim. I think that there's so many different ways that you can incorporate this into your style, and the way I decided to is with this jumpsuit. So this is more a cream denim jumpsuit. Alana was wearing this at the styling appointment, and I was like, I have to try that on. So I love this. I've never found a jumpsuit that has been so flattering for my body. The way I decided to do it dressed down was just with a little military green bag, as well as a pair of sneakers, round pair of sunglasses. So good to go. I think that this looks so elevated and put together, even though it's so easy because it's literally one piece and you just have to throw on a pair of shoes. Another way I wore this was with a pair of heels. This is just a brown pair of stiletto pumps, as well as this headband. I made all the accessories super neutral just because obviously a lot is going on and I really wanted everything to complement it. This is such a versatile piece. You would never think it because it is kind of like a wild card and something a little bit out of a lot of people's comfort zones, but you can definitely wear a jumpsuit so many different ways. I'm so glad that I picked this up, and this was my final piece of denim. So guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to check out Topshop, it is exclusively at Hudson's Bay. Also, I'll have all the links in the description box below. You can head on over to Hudson's Bay website and shop through all of the Topshop finds here in Canada. And with that being said, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.